morning. I am Pallavi. I came from Andhra Pradesh, Vijayawada. I am 26 passed out graduate. I came from DVR and Dr. H.S. Amazing College of Technology. I joined in Jspiders since a month ago. Here the experience is very good. I have opted for data science and my trainer for Python is Sagar sir. He is very understandable and he explains code logic very depthly and clearly. It was very easy to remember and execute the problem. He gives many exercises to practice a lot and makes every student to do it regularly. And SQL is also good. Karishma ma'am explains very well. And the presentations and mock are very good here. They, especially Sagar sir, listens everything and explains what is the drawback, and he tells how to tell you again that